say drainage nsuo to a nsuo ntumi enye de inflow and liquid waste so ntumi waste so ntumi de enko nti enra menya report say nsuo to the whole area was flooded
as affected kwine no the am kwine no kra do station
and I would do the other side now of the drains now because of activities of your friends squatters no amanet here asset drainage no heavily nsuo no kra ntumi nko nti nyame adomo Saturday e won ye di enyi kire squatters wo nyina ye be yi obi ye be page obi a content yeah in fact last year ne no mudi san komo nti nyame adomo ye na wotwe esimu ya san kobo omo kokko say ye besere mo we appreciate say adwuma omo ye omo so de hwe ebusua no be ho abehia say this adwuma di no say na be ya your convenience cannot be an inconvenience for someone. By so doing so, you just sense so easy traffic situation a war stretch.
Yeah.
Or here, Satazi rank no, we so much shared no, a when
yeah.
He said, "You train at your quick send a bay, you want a bed, a bay,
a difficult cross. Hope I say, Uremuna, you should have stretch now.
A very difficult. Then the road is very narrow. Until you're more a push back. Nay, you want not the hole. Nti ka bia efi bia wura space one ada say obe offload passenger na obe foka no na why then na wafa na enyim so baby a by the phone so any omomoton won nyina ye be clear bia
wow
so that it also be buana easy traffic situation.
I see nti within the municipality no hena because waste ankasa my generation no e was raw ne dealing no be handling waste within that area no abe difficult time mo pa
firstly Ankamaka say a Tafo market any lorry terminal especially when we have
4 miles
yeah.
Okay,
so we are talking about the Tafo market that's and the lorry terminal Osamba Pankronwa you know we have another big market there so wherever there's a market you could appreciate say you be generate waste
okay.
And Moro Magbat, Yamiadum, with the initiatives they put in place, always we are on top of it, and they are my wisdom. So
I see. Now, another thing, challenge. I mean, I'm identify or my back one some last time now. Yeah, baso that moya the master there, but within o municipal and kasam potholes, I am major challenge. I know me issue alignment pankrono that stretch na babisi remote junction and na terrible but I've seen some more ye ho adwuma de e de na ama abasa for a period na more yeah truck drivers taxi drivers complaining omo issue private cars sometimes we bedu on amrantie bi jeje ho mo fele no mo disturb drivers na de what is the problem because that's a reporter yenya say no potholes no a dos no do which ma confirm me say sanity na adenete sa
yo Sir John before I confirm let me take this opportunity now Mr. Mboma Baso because ye dwumadi ayedi mo na mo ye yenyi you are our eye mo na mo hwe kire mai bibia ye bia no mo na mo hwe na mo ka kire even though you see the otwa asa no onyim se so I think I can confirm say enokre me buy no is an inherit problem na the area sefem say me buy me handing as part of me handing over nota omode mame you could see say it was stated clearly say yeah patching of potholes in the municipality so I asked myself say it say yeah patching of potholes in the municipality answer na me ba so what actually has been the cause still problem no existed and sometimes too I could also appreciate say some of the contractors Shoddy works yeah because a human and as a way we have what you call defect liability and this a 1 year human year it says KB assembly no and a bino edge that's a problem by to me a UC can solve a problem no into always as a buying cratch penya one I say more when you call say you made is of quality and and your quality and then also one factor until last year me call rounds to assess the situation myself nti ene makura me frɛ me tonkra Emma the director of the regional department of urban roads. In fact, Emma onusunya konya ebai. Emma Korans. Okay, say yes, the situation here is critical. Nti na omo ye procurement process at the headquarters nti na ama ye benya your friends and contractors on Beba site na ye difficult. By God so be so good, you know. And then yenya the company and a contractor or site or ye construction less company limited.
Okay.
In fact, send all kind of almost started from Adabraka alignment.
Yes.
And Adabraka bridge and so or more ya basic new route.
Okay.
Any occurs who remove any some of the affected areas within the various communities.
Okay.
Until you can also attest.
Oh, no, yes, sir. Me can say on Tuesday, no. Me am bebo abaso say ya kan no musumutie. Then yes, I admitted that, and for you to even accept the fact that adwuma na ya no e onye ma bia kra na ye na me behu
yeah, very well.
Na munye hu ye.